Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Sway Walkaround Wrapper. Now obviously knowing how to do a sway would be useful already, link in the description below, and if you have experience with any of the wrapper moves like a first move walkaround wrapper, that's good too. I'll put a link to that down below as well. So if you've done any of those things, you're going to be ready to do this. It goes 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard sway. So we go back, we wrap the lady into the sway, and as always, try and make sure you've got the lady's hand palm down as opposed to bending her wrist up. Ladies off with the spare hand. Guys are going to need that today. It's going to be quite helpful. So we're going to collect that hand. We're going to keep the lady moving backwards at this point. So guys are walking forwards, ladies are walking backwards. So we're going to walk around. From this position, at some point, because let's face it, it's a walk around move, you could change the timing all over the place. We're going to lift the left hand. We're going to turn the lady to her right, so we're rolling out into an accordion type position, and the guy continues to walk while that happens. We then use the right hand to lead what amounts to the entry to a lasso sway, because we're leading a return and back into the sway and pick up the hand while the guy continues to walk the entire time. Then we're back into the walk around and we walk, 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 open out, guys keep walking, face, lasso back in, recollect so you're in the sway. And then for finishing off, all we've got to do, you could walk some more first if you wanted to, but I'm just going to stop straight away. We do the sway back, and then finish as you would any kind of sway. You could do the fast or slow exit, sway forwards, out, face, with or without a hand change, return, and back. So let's break that down with numbers. Obviously, you could change this timing a lot. I'll give you an option. So we go back, 1, wrapping, 2. I'm going to walk for 2, so we're going to go 3 and 4. Send the lady out 5, look 6, lasso 7, back into the sway 8, walk 1, 2, send the lady out 3, look 4, lasso in 5, recollect 6, then we just twist 7, forward 8, face 1, return 2, and back 3. And that's the whole thing. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, a sway walkaround wrapper. It's a back, wrap, walk, walk, over, look, lasso, collect, walk, walk, over, look, lasso, collect, sway, sway, face, return, and back. And that is the whole thing. This should balance out so it doesn't make the lady dizzy. For the fellas, you're going the same way for a very long time, which means if you are susceptible to getting dizzy when you dance, this isn't a good move for guys. However, if you don't mind a bit of that, it's a lovely move. So my recommendation when you're learning it, don't do too many repetitions in a row as a fella, and as a fella, do remember to turn the other way a couple of times between goes. Okay, so thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, and we'll see you next time.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.